Hi, my name is Mark Hartman down here at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. I'm going to have the 50th anniversary Hot Wheels Edition 2SS Camaro. I'm going to show you how to change the ambient lighting inside of this vehicle as you drive your 2SS Camaro. So if you take a look here, this is the ambient lighting icon. When you press that, this screen will pop up. It allows you to turn the ambient lighting on and off. It also gets to show you what part of the vehicle is ambient lighting. These are settings for show mode if you just wanted to change between all the variety of colors that we have. And another one of my favorite features on the ambient lighting, it actually shows you the mode select. So if you're in track mode, if you're in street mode, comfort mode, the car will actually adjust the ambient lighting to whatever color mode that you're in. Now if you take a look here, light strip color, these are all the awesome colors that this vehicle can go throughout the ambient lighting. So once again, my name is Mark Hartman down here at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois. Now you can change the ambient lighting inside of your 2SS Camaro.